To create GIF, we're having like 7 steps. Step number 1 will be inserting the first picture in slide 1. So we're going to open PowerPoint. From My Programs, search for PowerPoint. Then we're going to download 2 images from Google Images. We're going to search for smiley face images, smiley face. Okay, I need this one, so right click, save image as. We're going to save them on downloads. Change the name of the image to be face 1, save. Okay, scroll down to search for second one. We're searching for a different one. Okay, yes, here we have a nice one. Again, right click, save as, change its name to be face 2. Okay, now we're having 2 images. We're going back to PowerPoint file. From Insert tab, click Picture to insert your image. Do you know where did we save them? Yes, we saved them on Downloads. So click on Downloads. Select the first one. We need to create a new slide to add the second image. So from the Home tab, click New Slide, or you can create a new slide from the keyboard by clicking Ctrl M. Ctrl M will create a new slide. So insert. Yes, add the second one. Move back to slide number 1. Resize your image from the corner. Selecting your image, move to Format. From Align, make sure to change the image Align to be to the center and middle. Do the same with the second one. Resize, select, Format, Align, change it to be centered and to the middle. Okay. Moving back to the written steps, we're done with step number 1, inserting the 2 images, step 1 and step 2. Step 3, we adjusted the alignment of the 2 images to the center and to the middle of the slide. Step number 4 will be saving your pictures as GIF. From File, Save As, select the format to be GIF, Graphics Interchange Format. Okay, save. Before saving, we're going to rename the presentation in a meaningful name. Make it Smile. Okay, we're gonna save them to Documents. Make sure to select every slide. If we select current slide only, we're going to save only slide number 2 or the selected slide as GIF. So we're going to select every slide. Okay, has giving us a confirmation message that each file will be saved as a separated file in folder C, users, document, in a folder named Smile. Okay, scroll down to know the 5th step, which will be opening www.easygif.com. and upload the two GIFs we just created to create the GIF. Okay, just copy and paste the address of the site to the address bar in Google Chrome. Definitely we're going to create a GIF, so select a GIF maker, choose File, move to Documents, select Smile folder. Okay, actually I had an old folder with the same name. Okay, select the two images. Okay, by the mouse, click on any empty place, then drag the mouse to select the two images, or you may do it from the keyboard by selecting Ctrl A. Ctrl A, select all, or drag the mouse to select both images. Okay, open. Upload and make a GIF. Okay, scroll down. Make a GIF. Okay, here we have a preview for our GIF. Scroll down. Last step will be saving the GIF to your PC by clicking Save. Okay, now we're having our GIF saved to our PC. Right click, Show in Folder to see how it looks like. Open. Yes, we're done with creating the GIF. From Insert, you can add shape or a word art. We're going to start with shapes. Select shapes, select rectangle, draw your rectangle. By default, you're having a blue rectangle. Select your shape, move to Format. From Shape Styles, you're having a drop-down menu with different styles for your shape. Select any of them to see the effect of the style on the shape. Then select your favorite shape. I'm going to select this one. From Shape Fill, you can change the background color of your shape. Select any color you need, or you may add an image from your PC to your shape, or you may add a texture as a background to your shape. Here we have paper bag, sand effect, and so on. We're going to add this one. From Shape Outline, you can add a border for your shape. Select the color of your border, select the weight or the thickness of your border, or you may have your border as we did in the images as dash. Okay, select any style for the dashes. Select the shape from the keyboard and delete it. Now we're going to add a word art. Again, from Insert, select Word Art. Select any style for your word art, and word art will add a styled sentence to your PowerPoint. Select any style you need. We need to remove the title and the subtitle. Select and delete. Okay, from here, or type your text here. Select the text and start typing your own. I messed my
students. Okay, I need to change the align of my word art from align, make it centered and in the middle. Select again. I need to change the style. From here you can change the style. Okay, change the color of your text. From here you can change the color. You may add an image inside, so click here, move to documents, select the smiling face to be inside. From text outline you can change the outline or the border of the text, make it change the weight. Okay, select your color, make it an red. Okay, we can add an effect, a shadow or some glow. Okay, at the end we need to add a transform. A transform will add a new change to your word art, a new style. Make it warp, circle, or follow a path. Okay, we're going to select this one. To add your image, click insert, click here, add your image. I have one on documents here. To resize your image, stand by the mouse in the corner and drag your image. Select your image, move to format to change the align of your image, make it to the center and to the middle. Then we need to add a border for our image. Move to borders, select the color of the border. Then we need to change the weight or the thickness of your border. Select this one. If we need to change the style of the border to be in dashes, select the last option, dashes, select the style of the image or the border. Okay, this one is okay. If you need to add a style for your image, from styles, open the drop down menu, move on different styles by the mouse to see the effect of each style on your image. Okay, this one is nice. If you need to do some adjustment on your image, from here, from adjust, select corrections. You can add some effects on your image, changing the brightness and the contrast of the color, moving here to select the needed adjustment. Okay, this one is okay. If you need to change the color of your image, from here you can recolor your image, or if you need to change the color degree of your image, move on here. Okay, or we can recolor our image to be in purple. You may add an artistic effect by moving on the different styles we're having here. Okay, select this one. If you need to undo all the changes we made, select reset. Now we have the original image we added at the beginning. If we need to crop or to cut a certain piece of our image, select your image, format, from crop, click here, crop, move the arrows by your mouse. The shaded part will be cut from your image. Okay, crop. Okay, now we cut a part from the image. Undo. Okay, select crop again. From crop to shape, you can crop your image as a shape. For example, select heart. Now we're having our image as a heart. To make it clear, move to borders, add a red border, change the width of the border. Okay. We're going to use last week assignment. Here we have the drawing of the snowman, the tree, the mountains, the sun, and here we have a cloud. We will start by adding animations on the snowman. So select the snowman, move to animations tab. From the drop down menu, we're having 3 different types for animations: entrance animations, emphasis animations, and exit animations. We're going to select one of the entrance animations for the snowman, make it grow and turn. To see the effect of the animation, we're going to open slideshow. To see the effect of your animation, we're gonna start slideshow. So from slideshow tab, click from beginning. Nothing happened. If we click by the mouse, we're gonna see the animation, or the animation will start. Intro. Back to the animations tab, click on animations pane to have the animation pane here. Okay, from start, we're having on click. Change on click to be with previous. Back to slideshow, start the show. Now the animation will start automatically after we open slideshow. If we need to add a second animation for the snowman, select your snowman, move to animations. From add animation, add another effect for the snowman, select wheel. Now in the animation pane, we're having two animations. Animation number 1 will be grow and turn. Animation number 2 will be wheel. We need the second animation to start automatically after the first one, so select the second animation and make it start after previous, or select and change it from start and make sure to be after previous. Slideshow again, and then it will start the wheel. We need to add an animation for the sun, so select the sun, animations, make it okay, split. Make sure it will start after previous. And for the cloud, make it shape, and it should start after previous 2 and this one shape, and it should start after previous slideshow from beginning and show. The second topic for today's session will be adding transitions to your PowerPoint presentation. In Microsoft PowerPoint, slide transitions are motion effects that occur in a slideshow when you move from one slide to the next during a presentation. To add a transition to your PowerPoint, select needed slide, move to transitions. From the drop down menu, we're having different types for slide transitions. We're going to select the zoom. For second slide, we're gonna select uncover. For the third one, push. To see the effect of slide transitions, slideshow from beginning. Okay, and the animation will work too. Okay, we need to click on the mouse to move to the third slide and show.